Tipa adriunget kabalang Catholic haga kndai terik naiwiang arajal alpusan, kila shimbinta shirhem haga Eucharis procession arajal alpusan, kabashisien shisnem kabalalong hayeng mani Cathedral la imkra. Hakapor minstem lasdang dekamas bokhuj, kabala terwadu Bishop Bernan lalu Auxiliary Bishop ke Shillong Archdiocese Ringkat ke Jingdonlang u Archbishop Victor Lingdo, u Father Richard Majau, Father James Rhys Shilla, Father Pius Shadap Nalor ki Weipat ki Lingdo, ki Reuniam Najan Bat Najngai, Bat ki Patba Babun ki Belawan na ki Laitli ki Jelaniam ba Shillong Nungston Bat Joai. Ha kanegasni sanpuwaitli ki parish na keleng ki jila niamba kila poi bada ki pau hajar ngot ki pai riunget kila yeshim binta shidrhem ha kani kejingyat procession. Kejingyat procession lalam kmadda kedeng khna kabalas dang na Calvary dhan kiti ter Shasin Edmund Fire Brigade lai imkra Police Point Don Bosco bat pinkut biang ha Calvary.
Don Bosco Samuel General Bank. Semua pendak surak lah. Semua pendak dan surak.
Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application to the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.